Thank you for checking out this channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Jennifer and Makay. I make educational and inspirational content. So if you don't want to miss any of our uploads, please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Good day, grade 3 learners. I am teacher Jennifer and Makay, your teacher broadcaster for Mathematics 3. Dear learners, are you ready for the next exciting and fun learning in mathematics? Make sure that you are in a comfortable place right now so that you can listen properly and attentively for today's lesson. Kindly prepare your pencil and your notebook, and of course your Math 3 learning activity sheet. Okay, so in today's lesson, we will be discussing about parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Let us first know the meaning of parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Let us take up parallel lines first. Look at your papers. Can you see the horizontal lines? The horizontal lines on your paper guide you in writing. Look at line A and line B. What do we call to these lines? Line A and line B are horizontal lines. As you notice, the two lines are the same distance apart. If we will extend the two lines in each set, then they will never meet at a certain point. These lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines composed of two lines that will never meet no matter how far they will extend. We will extend them. What are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines form square corners. Perpendicular lines intersect and form four right angles. What are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines are lines that intersect at a certain point, but the point of intersection does not form right angles. Lines that meet or intersect at a common point are called intersecting lines. What have we learned from this discussion? We learned that first, lines that meet or intersect at a common point are called intersecting lines. Second, intersecting lines that form square corners are called perpendicular lines. Lastly, two lines that do not meet at a point are called parallel lines. For you to better understand our lesson for today, visit our YouTube channel, Rick and Jen, then look for the video lesson that I have made for you. Then after that, you can proceed in answering the activity sheets provided for you. Once again, this is your teacher broadcaster in Math 3, Jennifer and Makay. Till next time, God bless.